In this video, I'll guide you through how to unsubscribe from Typeform. If you're looking to stop your subscription or just take a break from their services, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and make it happen step by step. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to Typeform's official website, which you can access by typing typeform.com into your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the familiar Typeform homepage. It's here where you can begin the process of managing your account settings. Next, you'll need to locate and click on the Connect button. This is usually prominently displayed on the homepage, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Clicking on Connect will prompt you to log in if you haven't already. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to access your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should see the option labeled View Plan. This section is crucial as it contains all the details about your current subscription plan. Clicking on View Plan will take you to a page that outlines your subscription details and any other available plans. Now, here comes the key step, unsubscribing. On the View Plan page, you should find the Unsubscribe button. This is your gateway to ending your subscription. Clicking on this button will initiate the process of unsubscribing from Typeform services. Before you finalize, it's always a good idea to review any prompts or confirmations Typeform may provide to ensure you understand the implications of unsubscribing, like losing access to certain features or data. If you're sure about your decision, follow through with any additional confirmation steps they might require. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of unsubscribing from Typeform. Whether you need a break or are switching to a different service, it's always useful to know how to manage your subscriptions effectively. Remember, you can always resubscribe in the future if you decide to return to Typeform. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you in the next video.